This is Kang Sperling. Are you embarrassed? Is your clan dishonored by your receding ridgeline? If this is the case, then restore your honor and your family and reclaim your essential Klingonness by joining the Ridge Club for Klingons. You will listen to the testimony of these glorious warriors.
The other warriors would not let me do battle with them. They said that my presence was poupée. Because with my receding ridgeline, I looked almost human. But now, thanks to the Ridge Club for Klingons, I am Big Cheese of my clan.
My woman would not be seen with me. My ridge had shrunken almost to the back of my head. But now that I have joined the Ridge Club for Klingons...
And remember, I, Kang Sperling, the warrior who defeated Kirk. Quiet! The warrior who defeated Kirk. I'm not just the president of the Ridge Club for Klingons. I also bathe in the bile of my enemies.